I will now demonstrate Ohm's law by doing three calculations. One to find the current, one to find the voltage, and one to find the resistance. So in the first circuit, the current is unknown. The second circuit, the voltage is unknown. And in the third circuit, the resistance is unknown. So let's start. Using Ohm's law, we have Ohm's law over here on the right, V equals to I times R. And we have the memory aid, right? V equals to I times R, or I is V over R, or R is V divided by I. Okay, let's do the calculation for this first one here. So we want to find the current here. The current is unknown, so we will write down that I is equal to V divided by R, which is equals to 8 volts divided by 4 ohms, which is equals to 2 amperes. Be careful to write the units. So we have a voltage of 8 volts, resistance of 4 ohms, so we divide 8 divided by 4 gives 2, and the unit is amperes. So the current in the circuit is 2 amperes. So the current here is 2 amps. So that's the solution for the first circuit. Now for the second circuit, we have a current of 3 amps flowing through a resistor of 10 ohms. So we write down Ohm's law for the voltage, and we have V is equals to I times R, which is equal to 3 amperes multiplied by 10 ohms equal to 30 volts. So Vs is 30 volts. All right, V equals to I times R. I is 3 amperes. The resistance R is 10 ohms. So the voltage is 30 volts. And finally, for this circuit, we have a known voltage supply of 24 volts. The current is 4 amps. The resistance is unknown. So let's find the resistance. So using the memory aid, resistance would be voltage divided by current. So we write R is equals to voltage divided by current. In this case, it's 24 volts divided by 4 amperes equals to 6 ohms. So the unknown resistance here is 6 ohms. Okay, so we simply use the fundamental Ohm's law equation, V equals I times R, and we use the memory aid, right? Or if you find it easy to do the mass, the transpose, to make I the subject or make R the subject, you can then solve for either current, the voltage, or the resistance.